Okay guys, here's the muffler in progress. What I'm doing is this flange on this one, I'm hammering in, and it's going inside the pipe snugly, but not tight. I mean, it's tight enough where I can't push it in, but I have to hammer it in. And then it'll go into this one, the same thing. And then I have these holes right here, right there, that will line up on these, and I'll weld them in place once I get it down to that point. And then this is the output side of the muffler, which will go down into this slot here. And then I have a piece that I'll just weld back in right here. And then the tubes that come off the exhaust ports for the heads, here and here. And then the middle hole for the O2 sensor. And then the end caps. Weld all that back in. Then this will be ready to put back on the unit.